Let me also welcome on stage Kalpana Sharma, the editor, timesnow.in, to join us on stage with Minister Sir. So let's begin. Leading IPC of the year, and the award goes to CBRE 31 years ago. Congratulations, CBRE. Let's welcome you on stage. That made history as the first international property consultancy to come to India. And what followed wasn't just business growth, it was a building of an institution that redefined how India thinks about real estate. Congratulations to the leading IPC of the year. Please welcome on stage CBRE. So welcome the chairman, Mr. Anshuman Magazine, its chairman and CEO, India and Southeast Asia, Middle East and Africa, as CBRE receives the leading IPC of the Year award. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. So Galaxy Sapphire winning the next round of applause as we welcome on stage, joining us shortly to receive this award. And the award that goes to the Commercial Real Estate Development of the Year, Galaxy Blue Sapphire Plaza. May I invite Mr. Pralan Jalan, who is the President, Marketing, to the stage to receive this prestigious honor, landmark destination that has successfully blended retail, entertainment, dining and lifestyle experiences, creating a vibrant hub for consumers and businesses alike. Congratulations. Let's move on and talk about legacy of trust and timely delivery, and the award goes to Galaxy and Swadhisthi Group. May I invite on stage Mr. Sudhir Dhar, who is the President Sales, to kindly join us on stage to accept this well-deserved recognition. They have consistently demonstrated commitment and reliability and excellence in execution. Congratulations, Mr. Dhar. Ladies and gentlemen, the applause must keep on going. As we continue with the award-giving ceremony, let's quickly move on to the iconic Real Estate Consultant of the Year. And the award goes to Investor Home Solutions Private Limited. Please put your hands together in welcoming on stage Mr. Kanwarpal Singh, founder and CEO, Investor Home Solutions Private Limited. Their vision, dedication and unwavering commitment to clients have set a benchmark in real estate consulting. Moving on quickly to emerging leader in net zero real estate. Let's give a big round of applause to Booties as the winner in sustainability, which is no longer an option. It is responsibility of every builder. Please welcome on stage Mr. Deepak Rai, a champion of greener tomorrow. Congratulations, sir. Deepak ji, congratulations. Well deserved. Let's move on to our next award, which is the Emerging Developer of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to announce Big Tech as the winner. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Azad Ahmed Lone, the President, Business Development and Operations at Big Tech. Driven by innovation, strategic vision, and a commitment to excellence, Big Tech is rapidly establishing itself as a promising force in commercial real estate. Congratulations, Mr. Lone. Moving on to the next category of the awards in excellence in quality constructions for the project Icon 79 in Gurugram, and the award goes to MAPSCO. Ladies and gentlemen, please let me invite on stage Mr. Pankaj Srivastava, who is the Managing Director, MAPSCO, to the stage to receive this prestigious recognition, a development that reflects superior construction standards and meticulous planning and a commitment when it comes to delivering quality. Mr. Pankaj Srivastava on stage, please. All right, let's move on quickly and announce the award for excellence in architectural lighting solutions. And ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Maya Solutions. As Louis Khan had said that there is no space without light, for over 2 decades, Meenu Kakkar, who has now delivered architectural lighting solutions for landmark projects including World Trade Center, Purana Killa, prestige developments and government initiatives across India and Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Meenu Kakkar joining us on stage from Maya Solutions. Congratulations, ma'am, well deserved. Let's move on to the next category of the awards this evening, and we announce in excellence in monuments and heritage illumination. And the award goes to SLC and Solutions and Shilpi Bhardwaj, who is the founder and the principal consultant of SLC and Solutions, a pioneer in conservation-led architectural lighting, and she steered her career to follow her passion towards lighting and heritage sites, revealing their timeless beauty of the historic monuments through sustainable, non-invasive and environmentally responsible design. Please welcome on stage Shilpi Bhardwaj. All right, moving on. Excellence in German engineered, sustainable and energy efficient UPVC window systems. And ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure in announcing the winner, and the winner is Vika Private Limited. Please welcome Mr. Amit Karal, who is the Deputy General Manager, Vika India, as Vika India brings world-class German engineering to the fenestration of industry with sustainable, energy-efficient UPVC window and door systems that is designed for superior performance, comfort and durability. Congratulations, Mr. Karal. Well deserved. Let's quickly move on to the next round of the category in the awards this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an excellence in creating sustainable commercial space, and the award goes to Exotica. Well, may I invite on stage Mr. Chetan Sharma, VP Sales and Marketing, and Ms. Manpreet Kaur, HR Marketing Exotica, to kindly join us on stage and receive this prestigious recognition. Well, the applause, ladies and gentlemen, must keep running. Congratulations. Let's move on to the next category. And this is the Developer of the Year for the excellence in timely delivery. And ladies and gentlemen, this award goes to SKA Group. Please welcome Mr. Kushagra Sharma, who is the Executive Director, SKA Group, a visionary leader driving growth and innovation as he has played a pivotal role in strengthening SKA Group's reputation for excellence, timely delivery and customer trust. Mr. Sharma, can we have you on stage, please? Absolutely. Keep the momentum running, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Mr. Kushagra. Let's move on to the next gen business leader in real estate and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to announce the winner in this category, which is the SPJ Group. Please welcome on stage Mr. Mithul Jain, who is the Managing Director, a dynamic leader with expertise in law, business strategy and real estate innovation, as he spearheads sustainable and future-ready developments. Mr. Jain, congratulations. Moving on, let's announce the next category, which is the Excellence in Complete Bathroom Solutions, a very important one. And of course, the winner is someone very well known in the industry, which is Parryware Roka Bathroom Products Private Limited. Please welcome on stage Mr. Rajneesh Nandan, National Sales Head, Iron and Hospitality Parryware, founded back in 1952 and backed by the Roka Group. Parryware has spent over 7 decades transforming Indian bathrooms through innovation, design and quality. Mr. Nandan, congratulations, sir. While moving on, let's talk about the next winner, and this category is important. This is the Excellence in Curated Luxury Living Experiences, and ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Paras Manor. Please welcome on stage Mr. Anuj Shandilya, the business head, and Mr. Narendra Singh as they accept the Excellence in Curated Luxury Living Experiences Award for Paras Manor. Congratulations, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a well-deserved award. Please give them a big round of applause as I move on to the next category of awards this evening, and that is Excellence in Luxury Low-Rise Residential Development. And the award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Paras Florid. Please welcome on stage Mr. Bharat Chandak and Mr. Yasir Hassan as they are blending modern design, spacious living and community-centric planning, and the project which is redefined premium low-rise living. So this is the Excellence in Luxury Low-Rise Residential Development, and the award goes to Paras Florid. Let's move on to the next category this evening, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the Emerging Leader in Premium Realty and Urban Innovation, and the award goes to, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. The winner in this category is Bhumika Realty, as Mr. Uddhav Podar, who is the Chairman and Managing Director of Bhumika Group, has successfully transformed the organization into a diversified business conglomerate spanning real estate and asset management and logistics and e-commerce. Congratulations. Well, congratulations to the Bhumika Group. Let's move on to the Emerging Luxury Developer of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure in announcing the winner this evening, and the award goes to Northwind. May I invite on stage Mr. Shaurya Garg, who is the Director, Northwind, to the stage to receive this distinguished honor. They are making a remarkable mark in luxury real estate segment through innovation, quality and forward-looking vision. Congratulations, Mr. Garg. All right, moving on to the next category, and that is the influential voice in real estate. Well, this is something new. Let's talk about more on that when we announce the winners in this category, which is Anubhav. Ladies and gentlemen, the real estate industry, which is shaped not just by developers, but also projects that are brought together by leaders who inspire, educate, and influence the market. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Anubhav to the stage to receive this well-deserved honor. A big round of applause. Anubhav, congratulations, well deserved. Let's move on and announce the winners in the next category, which is the Excellence in Contemporary Business and Retail Destination, and the award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Paras Avenue. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Rohit Pandita, Mr. Vipin Yadav. With its strategic location, modern infrastructure and vibrant commercial ecosystem, the project that stands as a benchmark in contemporary business and retail development. The award that goes to Paras Avenue for Excellence in Contemporary Business and Retail Destination. Quickly moving on to the next set of the category and announcing the award in the category of Excellence in Premium Plotted Township Development. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Paras Estate. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Kapil Pamnani and Mr. Rupesh Saini, offering thoughtfully planned plots and modern infrastructure and future-ready vision, the project which has now emerged as a preferred destination for premium township living. Congratulations on this achievement. The Excellence in Premium Plotted Township Development, and the award goes to Paras Estate. Let's move on and talk about Excellence in Experiential Business and Retail Destination. And here, the winner in this category is the flagship by the CRC Group. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Salil Kumar, who is the director, CRC Group. And as director of the CRC Group, he's played a pivotal role in shaping landmark developments and driving the company's vision for innovation, quality, and customer-centric growth. Mr. Kumar, congratulations, sir. Let's move on to the next category of the awards this evening. I will be moving fast. So this is in excellence and globally curated luxury architecture. And ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to the Peridona by the CRC Group. Please welcome Mr. Salil Kumar once again on stage. Director CRC Group, and under his leadership CRC Group, which has emerged as a trusted name in NCR's real estate sector. Big round of applause. Well, the team is also here. Mr. Kumar, why don't you join them on stage? Well deserved. The Peridona by CRC Group. Next award, ladies and gentlemen, is in the category of excellence in sustainable and wellness-focused real estate. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a pleasure to announce the winner in this category, and it goes to Max Estate Limited. Please welcome Mr. Atul Kundalia, the Head Engineering and Sustainability Max Estates Limited, as he represents the organization and celebrates its contribution when it comes to shaping the future of sustainable and thoughtfully designed communities. This is the award in the category of excellence in sustainable and wellness-focused real estate. Atulji, congratulations, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is important, so please put your hands together for the leading real estate developer, Gurgaon, and ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Landmark Group. Please put your hands together in congratulating Sandeep Chillar, who is the founder and chairman of the Landmark Group and is a seasoned real estate leader with 25 years of experience combining engineering expertise with visionary leadership as he has built Landmark Group on the pillars of trust, innovation, customer centricity, and also delivery of sustainable, iconic developments. Can we have Mr. Chillar on stage, please? All right, let's move on to the next category of the awards, which is the leading residential developer in Rajasthan, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner in this category is Unique Builders. We now invite on stage Mr. Ronak Singh to receive this prestigious award. Mr. Singh, are you here with us? Big round of applause. This is the award in the category of leading residential developer, Rajasthan, and the award goes to Unique Builders. Congratulations, Mr. Ronak Singh. Let's move on and announce the next category of award, which is the Elite Classical Home Interiors Award. And the winners in this category is Curves and Carvings. And please join us in welcoming Mr. Vikas Maini and Shalu Maini as the founder of Curves and Carvings, as they receive the Elite Classical Home Interiors Award for their outstanding contribution to creating timeless and elegant living spaces. Congratulations to Curves and Carvings. Congratulations to Curves and Carvings. Let's move on to the next category of the awards, which is the Excellence in Community-Centric Residential Development. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure in announcing the winner in this category, which is Ria Arco Vayu at KVD Wind Park. Please welcome on stage Ms. Gitanjali Khanna, founder of the Ria Arco Vayu at KVD Wind Park, a premium residential development at Tech Zone, Greater Noida West, as it brings together modern architecture and nature-inspired living, offering thoughtfully designed 3 and 4 BHK residences that promote a better, freer way of life. Gitanjali ji, congratulations, ma'am. Let's move on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen, and that is the Emerging Mixed Use Development of the Year. and it gives me immense pleasure in announcing the winner in this category, and the award goes to Sharda Uptown. Please welcome Mr. Siddhant Sharda and Mr. Rajiv Dhal to the stage and receive this prestigious honor on behalf of Sharda Uptown, a development that exemplifies innovation and thoughtful planning and modern approach to urban living. Let's move on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen, recognizing superior construction quality and on-time completion. And ladies and gentlemen, as the name suggests, it is ACE Group. The winner in this category, may I invite Ms. Neha, the President and Process and Marketing, to stage to receive this recognition. They have been consistently setting high standards in quality and reliability, and we are proud to honor ACE Group with the awards for superior construction quality and on-time completion. Well, let's in the meantime move on and announce the next category of the awards, that is Commercial Landmark of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to World Trade Center, New Delhi. The World Trade Center, New Delhi, which is a landmark 6 million square feet commercial redevelopment which has defined the future of the capital and delivered through collective expertise of National Buildings Construction Corporation, which is the NBCC, Sika Associates and Architects, NCC Limited, Collage Design Private Limited, and Sanghvi and Associate Consultants Private Limited. The project has transformed a former government precinct into a globally connected business and urban destination. Congratulations. And that is the Commercial Landmark of the Year. The award goes to World Trade Center, New Delhi. Let's move on to the next category, which is the Excellence in Nation Building and Infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Ashtec Prefab, which is infrastructure, which is the backbone of every great nation, and we are proud to honor Ashtec as they have gone beyond building structures, as they are building the future of India. This award is for excellence in nation building and infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the team, Ashtec Prefab. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the last category as Branded Residences Project of the Year, and the award goes to Westin Residences, Gurugram, developed by Whiteland. This is the Branded Residences Project of the Year, Westin Residences, Gurugram, developed by Whiteland. Thank you, Kalpana, for joining us on stage.